The next animation tool that we're going to take a look at is this tool here. This tool allows us to configure our time frame. So if we just execute the command, you can see that my frame rate is set to NTSC, which is a United States standard for video. In Australia we use PAL, and we actually use a customized PAL at 25 frames per second. I can then set the way at which I'm going to view my frames. In this case I'm just going to leave it as frames. I could set it to either of these frames and ticks, minutes, seconds, ticks, and so on, but I learned to do animation just using straight frames, so I'm just going to leave it like that for the time being. We can adjust our playback speed. At the moment it's set to 1. I could set it to half, quarter, 2 times, 4 times faster. And these basic controls here, real time, active viewport only, things like that. We can also control the length of our overall animation. You probably noticed as I changed my frame rate, my animation time frame changed from being 100 frames to 83 frames in length. So what I can do here is I can then go and change this back to say 100 or even 150. And as you can see, my length, my frame count changes, and my current frame even changed. And I just OK that. Now you can see that my slider has changed from 100 to 150. If I play this now, you'll see that my ball will stop moving before my slider finishes moving. This basically means now I've got more frames to animate.